So I was picking some oranges the other day in my backyard, and I made myself a fresh squeezed orange juice. Oh, so delicious. As I'm doing this, I'm noticing the beauty of these oranges. Look at this color. Boom! Orange comes from red and yellow combined. It makes some beautiful fabrics, whether it's on a bow tie or makeup or a one-piece solid strong statement or used as an accent piece. Orange represents vitality, happiness, vibrancy, as in the Hare Krishna apparel and drapes. It represents fun, energy, warmth, excitement, creativity, and it symbolizes adventure and ambition. And of course, who doesn't like a beautiful golden sunset? What is your favorite color? Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.